Hindi na napigilan ng asawa ni Barbie Hsu na si DJ Koo ang maglabas ng official statement laban sa mga naglalabasang maling impormasyon patungkol sa naiwang yaman ni Barbie Hsu at sa kustodiya ng kanyang mga anak. Pinaringgan din niya ang dating asawa ni Barbie na nagpapanggap na nagluluksa. Narito ang buong detalye. Kahapon ay naglabas na ng statement si DJ Koo sa kanyang Instagram account at sinabing, "My angel went back to heaven on February 2, 2025. Firstly, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to the many people who are mourning for Hee-won. I'm going through a time of indescribable sorrow and pain where the windows are on the verge of falling the Creator. I don't have the strength to say anything and I don't want to. But before the time of great loss and grief was over, the devilish people began to sell the love of my family and mine. Some are walking around in the sad rain while others are creating fake news about insurance and costs to feed their families. Is there really such bad people in the world? I'm scared of the thought of this. Can't you please stay still so that our Hee-won can rest in peace? Please, I beg you." And to the precious legacy Hee-won left behind, let me tell you about it. All the inheritance was collected by Seng Jeon Hee-won to protect his beloved family, so I intend to give all the power to my mother-in-law. Children's Empowerment is trying to take legal action to protect their children until they become adults to prevent bad people from touching them. For me, the time spent with Hee-won was a precious and unique gift that I cannot exchange for anything in the world. I think the last thing I'll do is to protect the families I love the most. For the last time, I bow my head and thank everyone for your love and condolence for our Hee-won. Hee-won's eternal love, Junjun. Hee-won ang Korean name ni Barbie Hsu. Pinili niyang magsalita sapagkat hindi na nirespeto ng mga press ang kahilingan ng kanyang pamilya na tumigil sa pag-atake at paggawa ng issue patungkol sa pamilya ni Barbie. Marami sa mga Chinese o Taiwanese press ang naglabas ng balita patungkol sa interes si DJ Koo sa milyong-milyong pera na naiwan daw di umano ni Barbie sa kanya. Maging ang kanyang pansamantalang pagkawala at hindi pagpaparamdam matapos pumutok ang balita ng pagpanaw ni Barbie ay ginawan din ng issue. Pinalalabas ng mga media na may foul play at may mga nagkakalap din na ginusto raw ni DJ Koo na mawala at pabayaan si Barbie nung ito ay nagkasakit. Kaya pinatunayan niya na hindi pera ni Barbie ang habol niya. Binigay niya ang full authority sa lahat ng ari-arian sa nanay ni Barbie. Pinag-uusapan din ngayon kung kanino mapupunta ang kustodiya para sa dalawang anak ni Barbie na isang 10-year-old na babae at 8-year-old na lalaki. Ilalaban daw ng pamilya ni Barbie na hindi ito mapunta